Welcome to this tutorial on how to spend with GoHenry Parent Account. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app designed for kids and teens to learn money management skills. As a parent, you can control and monitor your child's spending through the parent account. To get started, first ensure you have a GoHenry account and your child's card is activated. Log into your parent account on the GoHenry website or mobile app. The dashboard will display your child's account balance and recent transactions. To add money to your child's account, click on the Add Money tab and enter the amount you want to transfer. You can fund the account using your bank account or debit card. The money will be available in your child's account instantly. You can set weekly allowance and one-off payments to be transferred to your child's account. You can also set spending limits and restrictions on certain merchants or categories. To monitor your child's spending, go to the Transactions tab where you can view a list of recent transactions, including the date, amount, and merchant. You can also set up notifications to alert you when your child makes a purchase or reaches a low balance. GoHenry also offers a feature called Money Missions, which are financial tasks and lessons that teach your child about money management. You can assign these tasks to your child and track their progress. As a best practice, make sure to regularly review your child's account activity and discuss their spending habits with them. This will help them develop healthy financial habits and a strong understanding of money management. By following these steps and using the features available in your GoHenry parent account, you can help your child develop good money habits and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to always monitor and control your child's spending to ensure they are using their money responsibly.